All right, this is our daily dissection of WBA. Stock has continued to rally, and the stock is now 80.11. Okay, we have the 77.5, 80, 82.5 call butterfly. We own this for 0. It's currently trading 60 cents. Okay, that's all the information you guys need to know to figure out how much premium is left in the value of this butterfly. Why is that all you need to know? Anybody? Okay, if we go through this individually, no, Lionel, that doesn't have anything to do with it. We're trying to find out how much premium is left in this thing. Okay, so at expiration, what will be the value of each option? Okay, again, with the stock, if we went out at 80.11, okay. Okay, Rick, very good. So at expiration, except that's not the total package, Rick. Okay. Nope. Christopher, you're forgetting it also. You got the same thing as Rick. Okay. So it's 77, the 77.5 call would be worth 261. Right? Everybody agree with that? Jody, you don't agree with that? Good, Michael. Okay. We're not just short one that's 11 cents, though. Right? The 80 call would be 11 cents, but times 2. Right? So the value of the 80 calls, because there's 2 of them, would actually be 22 cents. Okay, and then the 82.5 call would still be worthless. Okay, so the value would be 261 less 22 would be 239. Now, okay, Jody, the 77.5 call, if the stock were trading 80.11 at expiration, it would be worth $2.61. Right? Okay. And then the same with the 80s. They would be worth 11 cents each. So the value of this butterfly at expiration would be $2.39. But it's currently trading only 60 cents. So the difference of $1.79 is all premium. There you go, William. Okay, Michael, no, we should not be buying back the 80 calls, because if we did that, now we just have a naked long position. And so if we buy those back and then the stock goes down, we've really kind of screwed ourselves. Okay, so at 82.5 won, if the stock were exactly 82.5 at expiration, not beforehand, not today, not tomorrow, but at expiration, what would it be worth? Okay, William, Paul, anybody else? Robert, why 239? Michael, why 250? Okay, let's go through. Lou, why $1? Let's go through. Same thing here. Okay, if stock was 82.5 at expiration, okay, then the 77.5 call would be worth $5. The 80 call would be worth $2.50, but there's two of them. So that's going to equal $5. And the 82.5 call is worthless. So, whoops, this should be 0. Okay, for then a total of 0. That's at expiration. At expiration. Michael, it's all good. Welcome. Keep asking questions, man. Keep asking questions. Glad that you're aboard. Okay, but now we're talking about at expiration. Okay, so what if it goes to 82.5 tomorrow? Do we run the risk of losing the 60 cents that it's worth right now? What if it goes to 82.5 tomorrow? Do we run the risk of this going to 0? Like we just calculated at expiration, it would be worth 0. Beautiful, Michael. That is the right answer. That is the right answer. There's still going to be time value. There will still be premium. Now, how much? Well, we can take a look right here. Okay, we will lose a little bit from where it's trading right now, but only about 10 cents or so. Now, if it goes to 82.5, and again, this is one of those things about butterflies we always talk about. And now we're at we say the end of next week, when we're getting closer to expiration. Now you're going to see the value drop even slightly more. Okay? But it's not really until we get a week, 10 days out of to expiration that you really start to see the theta or premium effects in a butterfly. And that is why, guys, this is more reinforcement of why we are still holding this. Even though it is all profit, it's all profit. The risk we have associated with this position for right now is so minimal compared to the potential upside that we still have remaining. So that is why we are holding this for now. Does that make sense? Okay, did that whiteboard help? Okay, I'll post it up and I'll get the recording up here as well. And again, we will go through this every single day so we can really measure and monitor the changes on a daily basis as the stock is moving. Well, Ram, yeah, if somehow we could get all of the stock traders of the world to have a push and pull at 80, yeah, that would be the absolute best possible scenario.